In this video I will show you how to install and run Meteor Kitchen command line tool. Meteor Kitchen is source code generator for Meteor. It generates application based on application description written in JSON format. To start using Meteor Kitchen command line tool, go to meteorkitchen.com, then go to documentation, getting started, and here you can find instructions on how to install and use Meteor Kitchen. Of course, before installing Meteor Kitchen, you need to have Meteor installed. So go to meteor.com, install Meteor, and when you have Meteor installed on your computer, and if you are using Mac or Linux, simply copy this line into your terminal and execute it. I will not execute it because I already have Meteor Kitchen installed on my computer. If you are using Windows, click here, download Windows installer, run the installer, follow the instructions, and after installation, open terminal and type Meteor Kitchen. Format is Meteor Kitchen options, one of these options. Path to input file. Input file can be a local file on your computer or can be URL. And last argument is output directory where application source code will be created. Now let's create one minimal Meteor application. I will create one JSON file. I will copy minimal example from this repository, kitchen examples. Example minimal JSON. I will copy this JSON file. Okay. Now we have this example JSON file. Now let's execute Meteor Kitchen and create the application. Meteor Kitchen input file example JSON and output directory, let's say app. Now we need to wait Meteor and Meteor Kitchen to finish creating new application. Application is created. Now Meteor Kitchen is adding and removing packages and npm modules from the application. Okay, generator finished. Now I will open one more terminal window and I will enter application directory. It contains Meteor application which can be executed. Let's execute the application simply by typing Meteor. Starting application. Okay, now application is running and we can access application on this address. So go to localhost 3000, and this is example application with two pages, home page and about, as described in input file JSON. Now I will stop the application, and I want to show you that Meteor Kitchen has created a GitHub repository with two branches initially. So let's see. We have two branches, master branch and Meteor Kitchen branch. Meteor Kitchen is running on its own branch, on Meteor Kitchen branch, and you can create your branch, multiple branches. You do not, as you normally do when creating application. So you can have multiple team members. Each team member can have its own branch, but Meteor Kitchen always executes on Meteor Kitchen branch. If I run Meteor Kitchen again, you can see that its repository is on branch master. Branch master is clean. If it's not clean, it will commit your work, and then it will switch to Meteor Kitchen branch, and it will execute code on that branch, on Meteor Kitchen branch. After code is created, after code is generated, Meteor Kitchen will commit work and merge code into master branch, or into branch from which you repository was when you started Meteor Kitchen. So that allows you to manually edit generated code, and if you edit code and execute Meteor Kitchen again, it will not overwrite your modifications. It will simply merge code into your branch. Okay, now by default, Meteor Kitchen generates application with Blaze frontend. If you want React, you need to add React switch, and now Meteor Kitchen will add and remove some packages from the application. Okay, and now we have React application. Let's start the application again. Okay, I will refresh browser, and we have the same, exactly the same application, but this application is the front end is React, not Blaze. So with React switch, we instruct Meteor Kitchen to generate React instead Blaze, but default is Blaze. Now I will show you how to let's modify application. For example, let's change this text on home page, or we can Yes, let's change the text, something simple. I will enter input file, change text on home page, which says hello world. Let's name it hello beautiful world. Save and execute Meteor Kitchen again. Okay, now it's hello beautiful world. Now let's open one more terminal window, and in this window I will open input file. But in this window where I'm running Meteor Kitchen, I will add a live switch. Now Meteor Kitchen executes, and Meteor Kitchen is waiting for input file to be changed. Now if we change something in input file, let's say title of the home page, and save. When we save the file, Meteor Kitchen automatically executes, and application is instantly updated. So it's live. So as you are modifying the input file, Meteor Kitchen is automatically executing and refreshing the application. Now I want to show you that manually writing this input file for Meteor Kitchen is can be difficult if application is bigger. But you can use Meteor Kitchen graphic user interface. You can use Meteor Kitchen IDE. Let's go to meteorkitchen.com, login into Meteor Kitchen, then create new project. New project, continue, minimal application with user account system. Let's use React. Save. Okay, now instead writing JSON manually in editor, you can use this IDE, which at the end generates the JSON, and you can build application by you can copy this URL, so I will stop the generator. I will say Meteor Kitchen URL. So this time input file is not local example JSON file. This time input file is URL, and output, let's say, the same directory. And we can add that live option. Now Meteor Kitchen downloads the input file for Meteor Kitchen IDE and executes and generates the application. and now we have different application. And if we change something in, let's say, let's change this text in ID, home public, Jumbotron, title, when we save, Meteor Kitchen automatically executes again, generates the new code, and the application is instantly changed. So with this live option you can always simply execute Meteor Kitchen command line tool in one terminal window. In second terminal window you can run the application, open the application in your browser, and as you work in IDE, anytime you click save, it will automatically execute, generate application will refresh, and you will always see what are you doing. You will always see a resulting application here. It's updated automatically. Now I want to show you that you can change I already say that you can manually modify generated code, and Meteor Kitchen will not overwrite that code. But let's see how to do it. So I will open the application. And I will manually change the title of the okay, I changed, it's manually changed, so it's Hello Beautiful World, but in input file it's still just Hello World. Now let's add some text and hit save. Now Meteor Kitchen executes again, but your manual modifications are not overwritten. So this is because Meteor Kitchen, as I said before, this is because Meteor Kitchen is executing on its own branch. So whatever Meteor Kitchen generates, it merges that code with code on your branch. And for this introduction, that's all. See you in next video.